Yes, I have. Oh, Robert, I've got hotty spotty-itis.
Panic button.
No. I'm far too weak to press it.
There's only one thing for it. Bill smells! Oh, what are we going to do? Oh no, what if she thinks it's me that's stinky? Oh, there's only one thing for it!
Hang on a minute. No need to hit the panic button, Robert. I, Detective Justin, will cure petite monsieur. Now, Robert, it's all going to be fine.
No, it's not!
Don't panic.
Oh, it's a snow monster! Panic! Oh, there's a snow monster in the house! There's a snow monster in the house!
One thing for it.
Panic button, sir.
Do it.
Robert, please, don't panic, don't.
What are we going to do, sir?
Oh, I think I know what we're going to do. We're going to have to open this up and press the panic button.
Nothing's ready. There's only one thing for it.
Don't press the panic button or you'll wake up Mr. Taylor. Listen, get all of these things done. By the time Mr. Taylor wakes up, what are we going to do, Robert?
Panic button, sir.
Hit it.
I'm waiting.
Well, I know what we should do.
What?
Panic.
Oh, actually, that's a very good suggestion. I can do that. No, don't hang up on me! Oh, what are we going to do? Mr. Baker's going to be here any minute, and we haven't even vaguely started decorating yet. There's only one thing for it. Can you guess? Exactly, my little friends, the panic button. Mr. Baker's coming, we're not ready. Mr. Baker's coming, we're not ready.
Why are we panicking?
Mr. Baker's coming. What? No, don't hang up on me. Oh, what are we going to do? Mr. Baker's going to be here any minute, and we haven't even vaguely started decorating yet. There's only one thing for it. Can you guess? Exactly, my little friends, the panic button. Mr. Baker's coming, we're not ready. Mr. Baker's coming, we're not ready.
Why are we panicking?
Mr. Baker's coming. What?
Master, she's there.
Oh, what? Oh, sir!
She's in there.
It's little. You've made a little monster.
Did I?
We need to mend the magical magnifier, get it back to be maximizing, and get little monster back to her normal size.
No name, no address. I think this is my first lost parcel.
I didn't press the panic button. What's going on? Oh! What was that with little monster? Oh, where is she, everybody?
Sorry, everyone. Sorry, Robert. Sorry, little monster.
What are we going to do,
I
sir?
don't know. What are we going to do?
Panic?
No. Wait, Robert.